Hello. I am going to try to document how I hopefully fix this. The top of this tent got melted, pretty hardcore melted, and I am going to attempt to fix it with some extra mesh fabric we have. So my current plan is to basically recreate this entire top section with all of these seams as they are. I've drawn out my pattern for that and just completely replace it in a rectangle. Well, the outside will be the rectangle from here. Then we'll go straight across here. This is a pocket seam, and then all that. So I was just setting the tent up to make sure that the paper pattern that I drew for each section, this is that right there, with my seam allowances and everything, is actually accurate, because I did it flat on the floor, and this is not a flat object, but it's actually flatter than I was expecting it to be. So I think what I made before is actually going to work. So we'll see though. This is going to be really scary when it comes time to cut and try to sew on a brand new top that'll hopefully be the perfect clone of this top. All right, we'll see how it goes.